Now that you can say the alphabet, it's time to learn to sequence the letters to put them into alphabetical order in an arc or rainbow shape like this. Start with the capital letters, the uppercase letters, as it's easier to tell them apart, they're more distinctive. And just like when you learnt the rap, master 1/4 at a time, saying the rap to help you. We start by setting out markers to mark the shape of the rainbow. Put down A, the first letter, Z, the last letter, and the middle 2 letters M and N at the top. And once you've mastered the markers, move on to the first quarter, A to G. Remember to use the rap A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The second quarter, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. The third quarter, O to U, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. And the final quarter, V to Z, V, W, V, W, X, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z, Z. I wonder if you can sequence the letters in less than 3 minutes.
And once you can set out the uppercase letters, move on to the lowercase ones. But watch out for those pesky similar looking letters. Can you remember which ones they are?
Oh yes, B and D. We say that they need to face each other. And these two, P and Q, we can say that the prince bows down to his queen. These letters are often mixed up too, as they sound so similar, S and X.